Despite of all the hoopla around large language models, there are still few areas where they struggle a lot and perform terribly. One such area is their struggle with processing long input sequences due to limited training sequence length. This restriction hampers LLM's application in tasks requiring long context comprehension. But with this new research, which is done by Hongji and their colleague, with only 4 lines of code modification, this proposed method by them can effortlessly extend existing LLM's context window without any fine tuning. The solution which they're proposing in this paper is also quite interesting. If you scroll down into their paper, you can see that they have described it in great detail by using matrices and lot of experiments which they have done, and especially this section caught my eye where they are using passkey retrieval scores. So the method they have described here in simple words is that they are using a dual attention approach. So grouped attention for distant tokens and normal attention for closed ones. It applies a floor operation to token positions, merging these attentions before the softmax step. This method requires minimal code changes and no additional training. And the results are awesome, as you can see on your screen. Self-extend successfully extended LLM's context window beyond their pre-training limit. Now, if you also look at this, you will see that it expanded Llama 2's context from 4K to over 16K thousand, which is amazing. It also achieved 100% accuracy in passkey retrieval tasks, outperforming models with sliding window attention or SWA in handling long context. So very excited about this research. I'll also drop the link in video's description to this paper so that you can read through. Please read it and let me know your thoughts, as I'm very keen to follow this research because I'm more than sure that this is going to evolve a lot. So hats off to all of these researchers who have obviously done a wonderful job. Thank you. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, thoughts, or ideas, please share them in the comments. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much.